Hello and welcome to the basics of Arduino. The purpose of this video is to educate people about Arduino because learning how to solve problems with Arduino establishes a great foundation for STEM. So on the right it's an Arduino, the brains of the operations. On its left is a breadboard. A breadboard is meant to supply more pins to the Arduino, since the Arduino only has 13 digital pins, 6 analog pins, 3 ground, and 1 5 volts. These are wires. These are LEDs. You control them with the Arduino. And these are buttons. And these are resistors. They help you control how much electricity you use. So hello guys, today I'm going to teach you about digital light. So in board setup, you should always declare your pin nodes. Just telling the computer where is the LED. So the first, in brackets, the first number would be the digital pin or your analog pin. And the second letters, the second words are, is it an input or an output? An output is something that is like an LED, and an input something that like sensors. So an LED is an output. Then in void loop, always do digital write. Digital write is like telling the command to the LED or to a place on your Arduino. And so I'm telling number 7, since we declared him already, to go high. High means on. Then if we upload it, let's see what happens. And it's the same, load means off too. So it's just loading. Let me just check something. One sec. Okay, right now. So see, hey guys, today I'm going to teach you about if statements. So, in void loop, you should put an if statement. I highlighted it on the screen. And then from our last lesson, you should put a pin mode and put it as an output since we're doing an LED. So in brackets, that's your argument. So let's say if 7 is higher than 5, then do these commands. So the commands are going to be turn LED on. So digital write 7, comma, space high, all caps, that, and bracket. That means turn the LED on. Remember, high means on. And always remember to put a semicolon too. After that, it should turn on. But what if 5 is higher than 7? That's not true. So then it'll turn off.